The Honeywell Impact Sport Sound Amplification Electronic Earmuff is designed to amplify range commands and ambient sounds up to 4 times to 82 decibels. The built-in directional microphones automatically shut off amplification when ambient sound reaches 82 decibels for a more natural listening experience. Featuring low-profile ear cups for firearm stock clearance, an adjustable headband for a secure fit, and compact folding design for convenient storage. These earmuffs have a noise reduction rating of 22 and come with an auxiliary input, 3.5mm connection cord, and AAA batteries. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.